It's always interesting to me when an IEMs company makes wireless earbuds. We've seen options from Moondrop and KZ before. This one is from Rose Technics, also known as Roseselsa nowadays. They sent 2 of their new Ceramics X model. Yeah, 2 of them. I don't need 2, so one of them is going to you. We'll talk more at the end, but let's check out the earbuds first. Apparently these things are IPX5 splash resistant. They have some kind of wind noise dampening. We'll test that out along with 55 decibel ANC. Pretty cool. The shape of this case resembles AirPods, but the earbuds themselves don't have a stem. I really like this pearlescent finish, it changes color in the light. I wish the earbuds also had the same finish as the case, but I guess it doesn't matter because they go in your ears, you can't see them anyways. Let's talk sound, because that's the most important thing. When I first listened to this, it seemed too bass heavy for my liking, but then I remembered it has an app with some EQ modes. So I installed it to check it out. As soon as you connect these earphones, it'll give you some useful tips, like how to adjust these earbuds properly and how to wear the right tips and stuff. Kind of neat, I guess. But once you have paired them, you'll see this interface with the battery indication and a few options. Now you can see here from the presets, by default it was on pop, and I changed it to hi-fi, and oh man, that made a huge difference. It brought down the sub bass and increased the upper mid-range substantially, making it sound way nicer. Also remember, this has LDAC, but while I was trying to enable that, I noticed a strange downside of this. You see, for some reason, this Ceramics X does not support dual connectivity with LDAC at the same time. So you can either have dual connection or you can have LDAC with a single connection. That's a strange restriction. Now me personally, I just connect it to one device at a time, but I do know that people like to have it connected in multiple places. So Roseselsa, if you could somehow find a way to have dual connection with LDAC on one of those connections at least, that would be nice. So anyway, I said goodbye to dual connection and enabled LDAC. And yes, that combined with the hi-fi EQ preset made a big difference. I highly recommend you do the same if you have this. Set it on hi-fi, enable LDAC, and you're good. There was so much details in the sound with controlled bass. I was particularly impressed with how these handled Michael Jackson's Billie Jean song. Now if you have heard that song, you know that it's a V-shaped nightmare with extreme bass and lots of treble. Most TWS just fall flat, they can't represent that treble accurately and they just bloat the bass too much. This one on the other hand had controlled bass without bleeding in the upper mid-range and nice treble without any sharpness, as in any discomfort in your ears, and I say that as a treble sensitive guy. This was nice to listen to. Now again, the mid bass was still a bit too much for me. I would still use an EQ and lower it a bit further, but still, damn, that's really good performance for this price. I also noticed that this game mode, when enabled, doesn't really reduce audio quality, but it enables low latency operation. So you can essentially leave it enabled for watching movies and stuff, while getting the full benefit of LDAC. That's a win-win situation. As for the ANC and wind noise, I noticed that the wind noise is like a lower version of ANC, like I can still hear the surroundings a bit, and maybe it helps out a little bit. I honestly didn't notice much of a difference with the wind noise cancellation. ANC worked better, so my recommendation is leave ANC on all the time. It works pretty well for this price. So essentially what we have here is a respectable TWS with all the features you could expect, with the sound that's like 70% of an IEM in this price range. And so far, this is the best IEM company's TWS I've tried. And as mentioned, you can get this one, a brand new sealed unit of this thing. It's a black edition Ceramics X. As usual, leave a comment and tell me how this will help you out. What are your needs that this thing will cover? Make sure you have your email or some contact info in your about section, otherwise I can't message you. But yeah, that's about it. I'll pick a winner in 7 days. Good luck.